Welcome to Extreme Loaders. Join us as we explore the power and resilience of heavy machinery in some of the toughest tasks. Let's dive in and see these machines in action. Amazing! The modified truck with 6 engines effortlessly powers through challenging terrain, carrying acacia wood while navigating narrow technical roads and stream beds. The combination of brute force and engineering precision in this vehicle is awe-inspiring. It perfectly demonstrates how technology meets real-world challenges in the most demanding conditions. Excavators could have so much fun. These JCB 145 and 3DX excavators show off their agility and power as they play in the river, making what would be a tough job look easy. It's a great mix of humor and skill, proving that even in challenging environments, these machines bring efficiency and a bit of joy to the job. Watch 2 powerful JCBs loading 8 bulkers simultaneously with perfect coordination. The power and precision required to handle this task are phenomenal. The workers and machines work seamlessly together, making this operation seem like a well-rehearsed dance. Efficiency at its finest. These JCBs make the heavy lifting look easy. The speed and power of the JCB fast tracks chasing hay bales is a sight to behold. These machines are built for speed and precision, and they show off their impressive handling as they race to gather bales. The energy and fun in this video highlight just how versatile these machines are regarding agricultural tasks. Transporting the massive Caterpillar 6015B excavator across borders to a job site abroad is no easy feat. This video showcases the meticulous planning and teamwork required to move such a heavy machine. It demonstrates how logistics and engineering combine to make large-scale operations successful and efficient. Sometimes, things don't go as planned, And this video is proof of that. Watch as an excavator is carefully recovered from a tricky situation. The process is tense, but the skill of the operators shines through. It's a reminder that every career has its challenging moments. But with determination and skill, obstacles can be overcome. The Tata Hitachi excavator is rugged at work, loading a trailer with power and precision. It moves large loads with ease, showcasing its strength and reliability. This video perfectly demonstrates how advanced machinery can make tough jobs. Whether it's construction or heavy lifting, look effortless. The Tata Hitachi EX200LC is in full action, efficiently completing earthworks precisely. This excavator is designed for heavy-duty tasks, and the video perfectly highlights its capabilities as it quickly moves through rough terrain. It's an excellent example of how technology changes how we approach construction and earth-moving tasks. The CAD D6 RXL bulldozer is making roads in record time. Watch as it powers through the terrain, creating a smooth, wide path with every pass. This video perfectly demonstrates how bulldozers play a critical role in construction, making the impossible seem possible in minutes. The speed and efficiency are nothing short of impressive. Watch this mighty excavator break rocks with a hydraulic hammer, turning challenging obstacles into manageable debris. The force behind each strike is incredible, and the precision is unmatched. This video is an excellent showcase of the strength and versatility of excavators and how they can easily tackle the most difficult tasks. It's an intense, non-stop mining operation as the Liebherr R9350 and Hitachi 2500 work tirelessly in coal mines for 3 hours. These two excavators are built for heavy-duty mining, demonstrating endurance and power as they extract resources deep within the earth. It's a fascinating look at mining technology in action. Watch as excavators and wheel loaders come together to clear a landslide. The strength of these machines is on full display as they move massive amounts of earth, ensuring the area is safe again. This video is a powerful reminder of how essential these machines are in disaster recovery, helping communities recover from nature's fury. A full-scale landslide clearing operation is in action, with wheel and backhoe loaders working relentlessly to clear debris. The video is full of tension and action as the heavy machines clear the path, showing how crucial these machines are in emergency response. It's a fantastic display of teamwork and technology working to protect lives. The Kaiser S12 Allroad proves its worth in flood protection by navigating under bridges and through flooded areas. Its all-terrain capabilities are fully displayed as it moves seamlessly across challenging environments. This is an excellent example of how specialized machines are used to protect critical infrastructure, saving lives during flooding. This video showcases a variety of heavy machinery working together to complete demanding transport, excavation, and drilling tasks. The machines are efficient and powerful, tackling each challenge with ease. It's a visual feast for fans of large-scale industrial operations, showing how these machines are indispensable in construction and mining projects. The Ecolog 688 Steep Hunter handles difficult terrain with incredible power, proving its worth in wind-damaged forests. This video showcases how forestry machines are designed not only for strength but also for precision. The Ecolog 688's ability to navigate tricky conditions is a testament to the advanced engineering behind these machines. Replacing the rotation ring of the Liebherr 974 excavator is a detailed and complex process. Watch as professionals carefully perform this maintenance task, ensuring the excavator is back in action. This video provides a fascinating behind-the-scenes look at the maintenance required to keep these heavy machines running smoothly in demanding environments like mining. Demolition at its finest. In this video, heavy machinery is used to tear down a large barn. The barn falls apart with every strike, demonstrating the immense power of bulldozers and excavators. The video is both thrilling and satisfying, showing the sheer force of modern demolition equipment as it quickly breaks down structures. Thank you for watching Extreme Loaders. We hope you enjoyed seeing the strength and capabilities of these powerful machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.